Here's how to convert image to PDF. Now you might convert one image to a single PDF, or you might be converting multiple images to a multi-page PDF. I use this app called ConvertSave that my brother and I just launched, so you can go check it out in the link in the description. It works for Windows and for Mac. So if you have a Windows machine or Mac, doesn't matter. This is how you can convert images to PDF. We can just drag in an image. So like even if it's an HEIC file or something that, you took a picture of a receipt on your iPhone, that works. You drag it in, select the output. We're going to scroll down, find PDF, of course, and then hit convert. So that converts and saves it right next to where the image came from. Now, if you want a multi-page PDF with multiple images as the input, then you can just grab all of these images and drag them in, and then it's going to place them in here. And it's going to should place them in the order, like alphabetical order. So if you have these sorted alphabetically, it should place them in that order when you drag in a bunch. If it doesn't, all you have to do is drag them in individually, because if you care, this is the order that the PDF will be in. It's going to be in, this is page 1, page 2, page 3. So we can click on this output, and if we select PDF, it's going to just export or convert all the images to single PDF pages that are going to be saved right next to the image. But then we have multi-page, so that will combine all of these into one single PDF. And this is PNG image, HEIC, JPEG image. This works on Windows and Mac. Doesn't matter, just hit convert, and you're going to get a multi-page PDF of all these receipts. In this case, the pictures of receipts, or whatever the reason is that you're converting image to PDF. So this works completely offline with local tools on your desktop, and it's unlimited. You can create as many PDFs or use as many files, as many file sizes as you want. So if you're sick of uploading things to random sketchy websites, then we created this app. We're adding a lot more features to it, and we just launched it. Go check it out. Leave a comment down below. So this is how I convert image to PDF now using ConvertSave, which will also convert audio, images, video, a lot of different things. It's going to be like an all-in-one file converter. So yeah, if you want to check it out, we'd really appreciate your support. ConvertSave, it's that simple. Convert, save.